Hi guys! Today I've teamed up with Fisher Nuts to bring you this vegan almond butter cup recipe. I've been getting so many requests for vegan snacks and just healthier snacks in general, and these are so good, and of course they are easy to make, so let's go! Alright, the first thing we're going to do is measure out 3/4 cup of Fisher Nuts whole natural almonds. And this little stand-up resealable bag, you guys, I love it. It's so convenient. Now just spread those almonds out on a baking sheet, and we're going to warm these in a 250-degree oven for about 10 minutes. We're not going to roast them, just want them to be nice and warm. And as soon as they come out of that oven, let them cool off just a little bit and then place them directly into your blender. You want them to be warm when they're going into the blender because this makes processing them a lot easier. Alright, now crank up that blender. We're going to pulsate these almonds just until they turn into a thick paste-like consistency. For this recipe, you do not want ultra creamy, ultra smooth. You want this to be able to hold a shape kind of like this texture right here. You see how nice and thick that is? That's what we're going for. Now it's time to season up our almond butter. I'm just going with nothing but salt, just some pink salt. That's all I want in mine. You can add cinnamon, you can add coconut or extracts, but almond with salt and that chocolate, you guys, it's like the perfect match. All right, now I'm gonna move on to my chocolate chips. I have 1 cup of vegan chocolate chips. I'm gonna add in a teaspoon of coconut oil and stir it all together just until the coconut oil kind of coats the chocolate chips like that. Now into the microwave it goes until it is completely melted and smooth. And now we are ready to put our almond butter cups together. That's it, that's all the ingredients. I told you it was so easy, right? We're going to start by adding some liners to our mini muffin pan. Then we're going to add in a 1/2 teaspoon of the melted chocolate directly into the bottom of those little cups. You can kind of use your spoon to spread it around a little bit. And next I'm going to let that set completely. You can put it in the fridge if you want to. Go ahead and give it a little shake to kind of smooth it out. Now once that chocolate has set, go ahead and add in a 1/2 teaspoon of our yummy homemade almond butter right into the center. And Fisher Nuts, you guys, is preservative free and they are non-GMO project verified. Also, this recipe is gluten-free, it's dairy-free, and it's paleo-friendly. We are winning! Okay, to finish this off, I'm going to add in a teaspoon of that melted chocolate on top, and then I'm going to let this set completely, and then we are done. So easy. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and thank you so much, Fisher Nuts, for allowing me to create for you once again. I will see you guys in the next video. Later.